Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Before us is this algebraic expression or problem that requires a solution. Now, if 6 raised to the power minus x equals 2 raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power y, find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. Okay, now how do we start to solve this question? Now let us look at this. This implies that whatever answer this should give you should be equal to this, and whatever answer you get here should also be equal to this, which means the answer or the final answer here is uniform. Okay, so which implies that 6 raised to the power minus z now equals 2 raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power y, all equals to, let us assume everything should be a. Okay, so which means the uniform answer is a. So here we can now say, let us equate everything to a. So here we have 6 raised to the power minus z equals to a. Now solving this here, we can say here that 6 raised to the power minus z, or multiply by the inverse of this, that will be 1 over minus z. Then you do the same thing here, all raised to the power, you multiply by minus 1 over z. So this we cancel out this, so our 6 here equals a raised to the power 1 over minus z. Okay, now using the law of indices, which means 1 over z times, so cancel out. All right, okay, now let us do the same thing here. We also have here that 2 raised to the power x equals to a. Now in this case also, let us multiply the inverse of this. So here we have 2 raised to the power x all to the power of 1 over x, then equals to a raised to the power 1 over x. So this we cancel this, so 2 here equals to a raised to the power 1 over x. Now same thing here, that 3 raised to the power y equals to a. So here what we want to do here is multiply the inverse of y. So 3 raised to the power y all to the power 1 over y equals to a raised to the power 1 over y. This will cancel out this, so 3 here will give us a raised to the power 1 over what, y. Okay, now looking at this here, we can see, so 3 equals to this, 2 equals to this, and 6 equals to this. Now let us also, we know that 3 times 2 equals 6, right? Okay, and 2 here, using this expression here, so we have a raised to the power 1 over x, then times our 3, a raised to the power 1 over y, then equals our our 6 rather, is a raised to the power 1 over minus whichever way z. Okay, so in this case now, since we are having a common term here, now using the law of indices here, we have a raised to the power 1 over x plus 1 over y equals to a raised to the power minus 1 over z. Right, now since we have the common base, so here we can say this cancel out, so here we have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals minus 1 over what, z. Now transpose minus 1 over z to the left hand side. Here we have 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z, now which correspond to this, everything equals what, 0. So it means 1 over x plus 1 over 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equals 0. All right, you can see that the final answer, very simple, short. If you love my video, please kindly subscribe and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading on this channel. Thank you and God bless you.